Ground floor.
These are the lobby shuttle elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott in Novena, Singapore. These are Kone MiniSpace traction elevators. And this hotel covers the upper portion of the Royal Square Novena. Here it is.
So if I'm having a really bad day,
Pretty beautiful elevator cab. Go to 22 and watch the indicator.
Oh, $6. Drop here, I see. Okay, I just have a glass one.
a glass.
And I like that large LCD TV floor indicator.
Go back before 6.
Oh, come on, yeah.
Before Andrew comes over or and Levine's come over. I think one of them is coming over.
Andrew lah.
Yeah, I have to hand over to the lady also.
Here we are at 22, and these are the Shanghai STEP buttons. And that's it. These are the guest room elevators at the Courtyard by Marriott in Novena, Singapore. These are Kone MoniSpace traction elevators, and here's this elevator. Pretty beautiful elevator cab once again. Swipe the key, and let's head up to 29. And again, I like that large LCD TV floor indicator. And the capacity is a bit smaller. Here we are at 29, and these are the Shanghai STEP buttons once again. And that's it. Here's going to be a room tour of the Courtyard by Marriott Singapore Novena, and I'm in room 2926. So let's swipe the key, and here we go in. As you step into this hotel room, you've got the emergency evacuation plan, and this right here is the toilet, and this right here goes into the shower. And here you have the sink with towels underneath it. And there you have your Samsung TV screen, a place to store your luggage, a place to store your electronic devices, and it has a large bed. And here you have the TV remote, alarm clock, and the kettle, as well as the phone. And let's conclude the video with a view from the hotel room.